Welcome to Writford, the connected AI workspace for UK law firms. In this series, we'll walk through every part of Writford. We begin with the heart of it. AI Chat, your legal research and drafting assistant. AI Chat lives on your dashboard. Ask a question about UK law, upload a document, or request a draft. It's built for UK law, and you decide how much power each question needs, one message at a time. For everyday questions, simply type and send. Open a new chat, enter your question, and the answer streams in, with an intent badge showing how Writford understood it. It's fast, low cost, and grounded in UK legal knowledge. When you need current law, turn on search. Writford checks live UK sources like legislation.gov.uk and find case law, then lists every page it consulted so you can open and verify each one. To answer from your own files, turn on My Firm. Writford grounds its answer in your firm's Matter documents and cites them as Matter documents with the file name and page. It's a private knowledge base over your own work, isolated to your firm. For the questions that matter most, switch on extended thinking. Writford retrieves several sources and reasons step by step. If a question is ambiguous, it first shows an interpretation card, so you can confirm the area, the question, and the assumptions before it runs. Then you can open the chain of thought to see how it reached the answer. And you're only charged when a grounded answer is returned. Every conversation is saved to the sidebar. Search it, pin it, rename it, file it into a matter, share it with a colleague, or export it. And you can attach a document from your computer, OneDrive, or a matter's own files and ask about it directly. Every answer carries verified, openable citations and a standing reminder. AI generated. Verify before relying. The judgment always stays with you, the solicitor. That's AI Chat. Next, we'll look at My Firm Grounded AI in depth. Writford, AI tailored for law. Get started at writford.co.uk.